Welcome to Awesome English, I'm Dan. This lesson is a part of our series on literary devices and text features. In today's lesson, our objective is to be able to write similes. Let's get started. Let's check in on our awesome checklist. So this is our roadmap to success. It's what we want to achieve by the end of the lesson today. So focus now. By the end of the lesson today, you will know why we use similes. You will know that similes compare two things. And you'll know that we can use like and as a quick way to make similes. All right, let's get started. Wow, it's like a dream. I'm floating in the clouds like a ship lost at sea. They are as soft as cotton. They're as white as snow. It's like heaven. These are all similes. We are comparing two things. We're comparing the cloud to something else. So this is what a simile is. Let's learn more. So what is a simile? Well, it's where we compare two things. Why do we use similes in our writing? Well, they make our writing more interesting, engaging, and create more vivid descriptions for the reader. And that's awesome, and that's what we want to do to be awesome writers. For example, if I said the clouds were white, that's okay because I've used an adjective, white. But if I said the clouds were like heaven, or the clouds were white as snow, we're adding a little bit more detail. We're up-leveling our work and making our description more interesting. Okay, let's learn more. What's a quick and easy way to make a simile? You might have already noticed that we can use like and as. Now it's time for some practice. So using the images on the screen, have a go at writing a few similes for yourself, or say it out loud. All right, let's do it. It's time for a recap. We've just had a go at making some similes. Let's share and learn from each other. So turn and talk to the person next to you, or say it out loud if you have no one to share it with. Did you use like and as? Did you do it correctly? Let's get sharing. Now it's over to you. Go and independently write 2 to 5 similes using full sentences. Use the images from the previous screen, or you can make it up or do something you're interested in. Now remember, you need to compare one thing with something else, and you can use like and as to do it quickly and efficiently. All right, guys, good luck and have fun. All right, thanks for learning with us today. We hope you're enjoying our series on literary devices and text features. Remember, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe at the button below. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.